hope you all are doing great today. It is so windy out here. It is 60 degrees, but y'all, to me, it is so cold, and I think it's because of the wind. If you look in the back, the wind has blown open our gates. And so, what I wanted to go ahead and do today and bring you all with me, because if you just looked at the temps, it is about to get cold. I don't know how long this cold is going to last, but I thought it would be a great time to go ahead and do three things. I wanted to go ahead and harvest ginger, harvest my turmeric, and then plant the garlic in the ground. I don't know how much I'll get done today, so we're going to start off with the ginger. So let's go ahead and let's get started. Okay, so here is the thing. We're probably going to do a November/December garden tour because it has been raining so much. It has gotten cold, and so I didn't get a chance to do our November garden tour. But I will tell y'all this, not a lot has changed. Just trust me on that. We just planted a few onions, and I've shared with you the videos, and I'll pan around here. I've shared with you the videos where we're kind of taking it step by step, doing like a fall cleanup. So today we're going to harvest the ginger because, again, it's getting cold. Now let me tell you about the ginger. Basically all I did earlier this year was I went to the grocery store. I bought some organic ginger. I put it in some soil inside and put it under a heat mat. And once I start seeing sprouts, I just continued to feed it, let it grow. And then when it got hot enough, we put the ginger in this container right here. Now, what I will tell you is I know I got some ginger, not sure how much, because when I go in and water it, you can see it kind of popping up. But I want to go ahead and get it harvested before it gets too cold, because I know for a fact we just did our last big harvest of the roselle, and let me tell y'all, this roselle and ginger tea is so good. So we'll use some ginger for cooking purposes, but we're definitely going to use a lot for tea. So we're going to dehydrate that in the dehydrator. But I thought it would just be something fun for me to do this year, was to grow my own ginger, and I'm really excited about it. So let me go ahead, let me get my cart over here. I'm going to pull it, and then I'm going to rinse it off so you all could see. Okay, so I'm going to try to sit y'all up. I'm not sure if this camera is going to fall. It's windier than what it looks, and I hope that the sound is not distorted in this video. But basically, I just got my my little wagon right here. Like you can see, I'm sticking up. Can y'all see this? So I'm just going to go in and just kind of dig them out, and I'll show you what we got, because I'm gonna have to hurry up, y'all. It is cold. Okay, y'all, so we had to come up with another way. I had to pull out the tarp, but what I wanted to show you is what we have so far, y'all, and it smells so good. It just smells really good. It smells like ginger, and like I said, this is just from some organic ginger that we put in these containers. I have to be a little bit careful because I did make a tear right here, so that's why I pulled out the tarp, and I just figured that I'd dump it out and then just kind of work my way. Very good root structure down in here, but I'm going to go ahead and finish up, but I want to be careful because I don't want to damage anything, and I'll show you all the end results. Okay, y'all, so look at this right here. I kind of look at the roots on here. Look how pretty this is. So let me clean this up, and we are going to show you what we got. Y'all, this is so pretty. So you better believe that I will be growing them again. And I don't know if I want to grow them in containers or in the ground. Comment below if you guys have grown ginger and if you've grown it in the ground. Like, tell me how it is. See, I broke a stem right here. But that's okay. It smells so freaking good right now. Like, it makes you want to go cook something. That's how good it smells. So let me get my attachment and go ahead and rinse these off. Okay, y'all, look at this. I still gotta come in a little bit more and clean it up, but what I wanted you to see was right here is where we planted the ginger. So this is like the grocery store ginger that we planted in the soil, and then the other piece came off over in the soil when we dumped it out of the pot. But I thought that was pretty cool. Like, this is what we planted, and this right here, my friends, this is what we got. And when I tell y'all, it smells good, it smells so good. So we're just gonna clean this up a little bit. Look at these roots, they are so pretty. So I'm raising my hand, but raise your hand if you're gonna plant ginger next year. They love the heat. They did really good here for us. And this was just an experiment. Like, I was like, let me just try to put this in soil, kind of like sweet potatoes, to see what they do. But this is gonna go so good in my Roselle ginger and lemon tea. Sometimes I put lime juice in there as well, but this is going to be so good, y'all. It smells so good, so you better believe I am planting this again next season. As always, thank you all so much for watching this video, and I hope you share this video with your family and your friends. If you are not a subscriber, we would absolutely love to have you as a subscriber. So make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notification each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and until the next video, bye-bye.